Hi, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of my new book because this is the first time I've had a copy of my book that is not the proof, which says not for resale on it like this one. This is my first proper copy with all of my edits and my updated photographs, and I'm so excited. I've been waiting for it for a week, and here it is. I am so excited about this book, you guys. You have no idea. It has been so much work and labor and love put into this book. It's been months and months of making all these patterns, which I'm sure you've seen over the last year or so. But to put it all together and to format it and get it into this and get it into book form was really a task. And I took all the photos myself, I've designed all the patterns myself, I did all the layout myself, and I'm just really proud of it. And so I hope you love it, and I hope you will get a copy and leave a great review on Amazon, because that really helps me to get the book out there. And yeah, if you know anybody who wants to learn how to bead, I think it's a really great intro to beading. And I'm just putting in some more extra cute cat footage here, kitten footage, because everyone loves kitten footage, right? And I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me on YouTube, because if it weren't for this YouTube channel, I wouldn't have realized that I actually have something that I can teach and that people want to learn from me. And I appreciate that so much, and all of the support over these past few months. Thank you for just being here and watching this video, if you're still watching. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.